Here are some effective ways to make money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Popular freelance jobs include writing, programming, design, virtual assistants, and consulting. Create online courses. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Thinkific or Udemy. Courses can generate passive income once created. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and earn commissions by promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. Start an e-commerce business. Build an online store and sell physical or digital products. Popular options include dropshipping, print on demand, and selling handmade crafts on sites like Etsy. Monetize a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a following, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise. Become a virtual assistant. Offer virtual assistant services like scheduling, data entry, customer service, and more to businesses and entrepreneurs. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, software, graphics, templates, or stock photos on marketplaces like Gumroad or Creative Market. Social media influencing. Build a following on social media platforms and get paid sponsorships from brands to promote their products or services. Online tutoring. Leverage your academic expertise by tutoring students online via platforms like Chegg or Varsity Tutors. The key is to identify income streams aligned with your skills, interest, and audience. Combine multiple streams, consistently create value, build your online presence, and explore passive income opportunities for long-term success.